Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project online grocery store. And I have developed this project in Java Spring Boot and Angular. On the Java Spring Boot side, I have used JPA, Hibernate, and MySQL database, right? And I'm using STS for developing the Spring Boot application, all of the microservices. I have used a Spring Boot tool suits, and for the server side, I'm using the Tomcat server, right? On the Angular side, the Angular version is 7, and I'm using Visual Studio Code for running this project. The Node version is 12. I'm using for for installing the Angular and all. Right. So for front-end development, I am using the HTML and CSS. Right. So on the Angular side, we have used HTML and CSS. So the front end we have developed in Angular, and the back end we have developed in Spring Boot. Right. So this is a full stack application developer project where all of the front end and back end has been developed by a single developer. So let's start with the functionality, go through what we have implemented, what are the features available inside this project online grocery store, right? So the project title is online grocery store, and this is a major project which has admin and customer login both, where admin can log inside the system, admin can manage the product, orders, customers, contacts, feedbacks, categories, each and all thing will be managed by admin. Customer will be able to register, log in and see the product details, filter out the product according to the category and add the product into the cart, and then he will be able to check out, make the payment from the dummy page. So once you run this project, you will this home page. You can see this is a home page, and these all are the categories which are coming from the database. Right. This is about page, and this is static about page. There is nothing dynamic on it. This is all categories. All categories which is available in the database will be displayed here. Currently, we have 6 categories, but you can add more. If you click on that category, you will be able to see all of the product which belongs to that category, and you can see the details of that product. You can add the item into the cart. Even you can post, login and post comment, and you can view that product also. Add into the cart, but there is a restrictions. You can not item add item into the cart without login. Right? This is all category. This are all products. So you will be able to see all of the product which is available in the database. Right? Even you can filter out the product from here. Suppose if you are searching for Turda, right, search, you can see you will get all the results, right? This is a login. From here you can log in, customer can log in, admin can log in. This is a registration. From here customer can registration, customer can register, and after that he will be able to log in with his user ID and password. This is a contact us, and it's a static contact us, and the is not static. The value of this contact us page is saving in the database, and admin can watch it. This is a feedback. From here customer can put his feedback, and admin can see that from the admin portal. Now I am going to log in as a customer. The user ID is amit@gmail.com and password is test. Once you log in inside the system, then you will get this dashboard. So the same dashboard items are available in the header menu, right? So now I'm going to buy some of the products. Pulses, details, adding into the cart, right? So I have one item into the cart, right? This again continue shopping. So I am adding this, add into the cart. So we have two items, add, and this one details, add item into the cart. So we have three things, right? If I want to remove someone, then we can remove that also. Once you click on the checkout, then it's asking for your credit card details. You can enter your credit card details here. This is a dummy page. There is no real-time transaction is happening. Right? You can enter the card number here, card, name here, anything you can enter any of the garbage things. We are not validating this page. Once you click on the make payment, you can see your order number 294 has been placed, right? And total amount you have paid is 1600 rupees, right? So this is the receipt. You can print the receipt here. You can see item into the cart. There is nothing item, no items. But if you go on the all categories, oil, and if I add any item into the cart, then you will be able to see item into the cart, right? No. So this is the my order sections. From here, you will be able to see all of the orders which you have placed earlier, right? Once you click on this, you can see the details of that order, right? This is a my account section. From here, you will be able to update your account details, right? This is a logout. Once you click on the logout, then above admin menu will not be displayed because it's a session driven and it's running according to the session. You can see menus are not displaying. If you log in, then menus are displaying. Right. Now I'm going to log in as an admin. You can see this is admin login. Here the user ID is admin and the password is test. Right. So you can see these is different layout for the admin. We have integrated three types of layout here, one for admin, one for login, and one for customer. Right. So there's a product management. From here, you can manage all of the products. You can add products. You can edit products. You can perform CRUD application on the products. Right. You can add new food items. You can add edit items. Right. There's a category. All of the category is available here. You can add new category, and from here you can manage the categories. This is all orders. Admin will be able to see orders for the all customers. Right. So you can see these all are the orders. Right. And you can see these are the details of the orders. This is the customer management. From here admin can see all of the customers. This is add new customers. From here admin can add the customers also. This is the contact us report. From here admin can see all of the contact us which has been submitted by customer from the front end panel. He will be able to see all of the contact us. Same for feedback. Admin will be able to see all of the feedbacks and the logout. Once you click on the logout, then the session will be destroyed and you will be redirected to the home page. You can see you have been redirected to the home page. Right. So these all functionalities I have developed inside this project online grocery store. As I told you earlier, this is a major project developed in Java, Spring Boot, Angular, right? And it's a web application, and the project title is online grocery store. And this is an admin and customer based applications, right? So if you need more functionality in this project, just put it into the comments. I will incorporate those things. I will make this project more better and better according to your requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest project videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.